Here we go again. Yeah, as y'all saw, it's not going to get above freezing here until Friday, and that's just at freezing. Yeah. So, Hulk is undercover in case he has to go to work. So, we're not recording any videos except for this one, and we're going to finish one more this whole week. No work's going to get done for a week and a half. So, we are going to get some videos out of archives, like the super clean video that was filmed when it was still comfortable. And y'all get a video on the Super Hawk, because I just gotta get a little bit of film of it running, and then we'll drop a video on it. So yes, it's supposed to be like this for a while, and yeah, I ain't feeling this. Ugh. Not liking it either. It's icing right now. It's sleeting, which is ice, a white ice, and that's basically what goes under snow, and then it's gonna snow, and it's was supposed to start snowing yesterday, but thankfully it did not. Me and my dad are very grateful that it did not, because yesterday we were able to actually work on Super Hawk and film a video. It was cold, but we were able to do that. And we were praying, since earlier today it was kind of just raining and turning into ice, basically frozen rain. We were praying and hoping that none of this would just, you know, be gone. Yeah, well, that's not happening. So it's sleeting right now, getting the bottom layer for snow, and then snow all the way until Friday night. It's gonna stop Friday. Not cool, guys. So yeah, enjoy this short video that was edited the day of. Actually, hold on, I'll retract my thing. Y'all already saw the y'all didn't. Super clean videos coming out very soon, either tomorrow or the day after, because of this video, most likely Tuesday, so I'm good. And yeah, I'm getting back in the warm house. No snow video this time. Just I'll take pictures and stuff and post on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want updates of how it's going here. Follow me on Instagram at ithwitt_YT. So it'll be up on the screen right here. And then if you don't have Instagram and you still want to know, you can always go follow me on Facebook, which is at ithwitt. You can go follow me on Facebook or Instagram, which is at ithwitt. So just go search for ithwitt. You'll find me. Go follow me, and you'll be able to get updates of how it's going up here. You'll know. We're prepared this time. Got our generator up under there. The cord's already ran. We're ready to go. We got like 20 gallons of gas for our generator, so we are ready. And we're ready for power goes out. But no videos being filmed this week, and the weather is not liking us. Yeah. I'm getting back inside.